늦은 밤, 상사의 아내 실비아와 불륜을 하고 있는 테리. 테리가 잠시 화장실을 간 사이 실비아는 누군가의 비명 소리를 듣게 되는데
What happened?
He was trying to kill her.
Hey, you all right? Looks like she's all right.
다행히 피해자가 무사한 것을 확인하고
Yes.
실비아는 서둘러 돌아갈 채비를 하죠.
What do you look like?
Red hair, combed back like a duck.
A ducktail.
하지만 다음날 테리는 한 신문 기사를 보게 되는데 같은 날 근처에서 여고생이 살해되었다는 기사를 본 그들은 자신들이 본 사건과 동일범일 거라고 짐작합니다.
Did the paper say anything else about witnesses?
Said there weren't any.
하지만 불륜 중이었기 때문에 신고를 망설이는 그녀를 보고 테리는 호감을 얻기 위해 돌발 행동을 하는데
What are you doing?
Police department, please.
Terry.
경찰에게 연락하여 자신이 사건을 목격했다고 거짓말을 하는 테리.
Right outside my apartment near the Washington Monument. Sure.
Tell me what it looked like.
Tall, red hair, tan jacket, blue jeans.
그녀로부터 범인의 인상착의를 확인한 테리는 곧이어 형사들을 집으로 부릅니다.
Drapes open? Yes. He had her from behind and was sort of dragging her toward the street. And that's when she screamed real loud.
What was he wearing?
Tan jacket, blue jeans, tennis shoes.
Mr. Lambert, you said you came back from the party and went right to bed.
That's right.
Were you alone?
I was alone.
That's why he went to sleep, Dave.
얼마 뒤 용의자를 확인하기 위해 경찰서에 불려온 테리.
No, I think I'm supposed
You
to just
must
come
be
down
the
and
one. I mean, they told me there was a witness.
Yes.
그는 피해자인 데니스와 함께 경찰이 준비한 용의자들의 인상착의를 확인하는데 테리는 실비아가 말한 것과 비슷한 느낌의 남자를 발견하지만 자신이 직접 본 것이 아니었기에 결국 아무도 지목하지 못합니다.
But you did get a good look at him that night.
But seeing them all together like this, I just can't be sure.
That's the way it goes. Your hunch was wrong.
We'll just have to keep looking. Sorry.
Only she's dead and I'm alive. Do you think they'll catch him?
I hope so.
Well, good night.
그런데 이상한 정의감에 사로잡힌 그는 자신이 유심히 지켜보던 남자 핸더슨의 뒤를 쫓기 시작하죠. 그렇게 핸더슨의 집 주소와 직장까지 알아낸 테리.
It's him, isn't it? Come on, Sylvia.
Not for sure.
Why not?
I just can't.
But it might be him. He said that one of the men in the lineup was there because he had raped before.
But you don't know this is the one he was talking about.
더 이상 사건에 신경을 끄고 싶어하는 실비아와 달리 테리는 계속해서 핸더슨을 미행하는데 테리는 그가 매력적이게 춤을 추고 있는 한 여성에게 시선을 고정하고 있는 것을 알게 됩니다. 곧이어 여성의 뒤로 다가가 그녀를 유심히 살펴보는 핸더슨.
Ready for another? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, really? It's the least I can do. Okay? It'll make me feel better.
그런데 한바탕 소란이 일어난 사이 핸더슨은 이미 어디론가 사라져버렸죠. 몇 시간 뒤 핸더슨이 집에 돌아간 것을 확인하고 테리는 발길을 돌리는데 그는 근처에 누군가가 살해된 현장을 보고 잠시 차를 세웁니다.
What's going on?
Girl's been murdered. They found a body stuffed in there about an hour ago.
그런데 죽은 시체는 바로 술집에서 핸더슨이 지켜보고 있던 금발의 여자.
Why didn't you identify Henderson earlier when you saw him at the lineup?
I wasn't sure. I didn't want to make a mistake.
So you followed him.
Our concern is not the assault itself.
Except as it helps to build a case of murder, and thanks to you is helping.
곧이어 핸더슨에게 영장이 발부되고
Well, I got the search warrant,
That's what you wanted, isn't it?
but nobody at the bar remembered Henderson. Anyway, that'll be the end of it. Either they'll find something to connect him to the murders or they won't.
테리는 드디어 자신의 역할이 모두 끝났다고 안심하지만
Jesus Christ, that Holden is a ball-breaking judge. We can't prove that he did it. So, the Detective Quirk has agreed, and we go with the assault case.
The assault case.
Got a witness who saw him do it. You.
어이없게도 재판이 폭력 사건으로 진행되어 테리가 목격자로서 증언대에 서야 한다는 것.
Oh, damn it. Why did you have to call the police?
If this guy's not put away, he could kill again.
From the beginning, you wanted to play the hero. And now you see what it's gotten us.
하지만 오히려 테리를 비난하며 그를 외면하는 실비아.
Hey,
How have you been?
I'm better. And your testimony is so much more important than mine. But I want to get him. You must feel the same way.
Yeah.
See you in court.
결국 그는 목격자로 증언대에 서게 되고
What did you see?
A man fighting with a woman, and he threw her down on her face on the pavement, grabbed hold of her neck, and started to strangle her.
테리는 무사히 경찰 측에 신문을 마치지만
Would like to take you through this one more time, perhaps in a little more detail. You heard screams, you got up, you went to the window. Did you turn on a light?
No.
Did he run away as soon as she screamed?
And the man ran away, I think, pretty quickly.
How quickly?
Must have been longer than that.
Your Honor, with your permission, I'd like to try a little experiment. Oh, one thing before we begin. Mr. Lambert, would you kindly remove your contact lenses?
What?
Your contact lenses. You're wearing them, aren't you?
Yes.
And he surely would have taken them out on the night in question when he went to bed, planning to get a good sleep.
Yes.
그렇게 테리는 렌즈를 빼고 변호사가 든 물건을 맞춰보는데
Come on, Mr. Lambert. What is it?
결국 변호사가 든 물건을 맞추지 못해 증거 불충분으로 풀려난 핸더슨.
Accused assailant Chris Henderson was released today. The case against him dismissed for insufficient evidence.
그리고 얼마 뒤 그는 이웃으로부터 이상한 말을 듣게 되는데
Yeah, well, I didn't know whether to say anything at first, but the police.
The police.
They asked me if I was awakened by the attack, if I'd seen anything. I saw you coming back in. This was later after the excitement had died down. Must have been after 3.
Oh, I'm sure it wasn't that late. No.
그리고 그날 밤 데니스가 집으로 찾아와 그에게 진실을 추궁하죠.
I know, Terry.
What?
It wasn't you in the bedroom window at all.
What are you talking about?
She was the witness. Save it, Terry! I saw her in the park, and I saw her in court coaching you. What, is she married?
What are you gonna do?
The question isn't what am I going to do, it's what are you going to do, and what is she going to do?
데니스는 그에게 한껏 성을 내고 돌아가는데 누군가 그의 전화를 도청하고 어쩐 일인지 경찰들이 그에 대해 뒷조사를 하고 다니기 시작합니다.
Terry! The cops have been here. They just left. They also want to know about the night of that party we had. If I'd noticed anything unusual about you on April 26th or 27th. Why would they ask about those dates in particular? It's almost as though they suspect you of something.
The police don't know about you. Not yet. They've been questioning my neighbors. I think they've tapped my phone. It looks like they're wondering if maybe I didn't kill those girls.
It doesn't make any sense. It's ridiculous. You're being paranoid.
They also asked him about the night of the party. Why I left early.
Besides, it'll work out. The police aren't fools.
And what about Denise Connolly?
Tell her we need a little time. I have to think. I never even knew you wore contact lenses.
그리고 결국 경찰에 호출을 받는 테리.
It seems you haven't been exactly truthful with us. We've learned that you went out that night.
Ah, I forgot.
You forgot?
Yes,
When did you go out?
Afterwards, before I went back to sleep.
When did you come back?
A few minutes later. Look, you don't really think that I'm...
Suppose you tell us about the bar.
No one can remember having seen the redhead Chris Henderson.
Cocktail waitress remembers you quite clearly. Was that something else you forgot?
Are you arresting me?
No, not just yet.
그렇게 경찰들이 테리를 범인으로 보는 가운데 자신의 무죄를 밝히기 위해 이제 실비아의 증언밖에 남지 않은 상황. 그는 실비아가 관람 중인 발레 극장으로 향하고 곧이어 객석에서 그녀를 발견합니다. 테리는 실비아를 불러 자신들의 불륜 관계를 밝히고 사실을 증언해야 한다고 말하지만
If you won't listen to reason, then you leave me no choice but to talk to Colin myself.
I'm sorry, Terry. I've already told him that I went to bed with you. He's forgiven me, on condition I swear I was in bed with him the night of the party.
What?
Are you all right?
Yeah, thank you, I'm fine. He doesn't want to be dragged into that mess. You'll have to find some other way to solve your problems.
Tell me one thing. Right from the beginning, you were sure it was Henderson.
All right.
실비아는 그날 밤의 일을 증언하지 않겠다는 뜻을 밝히고
It would be better to wait.
Of course.
테리는 결국 극장 밖으로 나오는데 핸더슨의 트럭을 발견하고 다시 극장으로 달려가는 테리.
What's going on?
Grab him! Colin, he's got my wife! He killed my wife!
다행히 사람들의 눈을 피해 극장 밖으로 나온 그는 어딘가로 향하는데
Denise.
다시 한번 데니스와 재회하게 된 그는 실비아와 자신의 관계를 증언해달라고 말하지만
I'll tell them everything and try to get them to believe me. You'd seen us together.
I can say I think that I can't prove it. Those people at the Townsend Theater will say they think you killed her.
I knew I was being followed, but it never occurred to me that it might be Henderson. He got rid of the one person that could implicate him and the one person that could clear me.
당장 어찌할 방도를 못 찾은 그들은 데니스의 집에 몸을 숨긴 채 앞으로의 일에 대해 상의하죠.
He'll do it again, you know. I wonder what sets him off.
Who knows?
The night he attacked me, I don't remember him at the bar, but he was probably there watching me. What made him single her out? What made him notice her in particular?
Well, she danced.
Dance? To a record?
He didn't dance for him, did he?
핸더슨의 범행 대상에 대해 의문을 품던 그녀는 자신이 폭행당했던 날의 기억을 떠올리는데
Yes, I kissed him. Then he kissed me. And everybody went crazy.
서로의 기억에 의존해 그들이 내린 결론은 핸더슨이 사람들의 이목을 끄는 여자의 성적 흥분을 느껴 그녀를 살해한다는 것.
You can stay here tonight if you want. On the couch.
그리고 다음 날 아침 데니스는 테리의 무죄를 증명할 한 가지 계획을 제안하는데
It could happen sooner instead of later, with a little help.
What do you mean?
What if some girl who knew what buttons to push deliberately set about pushing them?
그건 바로 그녀가 변장을 하여 핸더슨의 이목을 끌고
How do I look?
핸더슨이 성적 흥분을 느껴 그녀를 위협하는 순간
I do.
경찰들이 그 현장을 보게 하여 그를 체포하려는 계획.
I'll tell you about it then. Just be there. What'd you do to your eyebrows?
Died. What do you think?
그들은 곧바로 차를 렌트하고 그날 밤 이중으로 핸더슨을 미행하는 데니스와 테리. 핸더슨이 어느 바에 들어간 것을 확인한 그들은 곧바로 계획을 실행에 옮깁니다.
There's a phone booth right back there. Let's go over it one more time.
I drive home with Henderson following. If he goes for me, Quirk's there to see it.
Mm-hmm.
계획대로 홀로 바에 들어가 사람들의 이목을 받으며 핸더슨을 지켜보는 데니스. 곧이어 그녀는 남자들과 포켓볼을 치며 핸더슨의 이목을 끌기 시작하고, 한편 테리는 앞차량이 시야를 막자 직접 가게 앞으로 다가가 핸더슨을 살펴보기 시작하는데, 테리는 그제서야 핸더슨의 범행 방법을 알게 되고 서둘러 가게 안으로 들어오죠.
What are you doing? He'll see you.
I'm calling Quirk now. Your wallet. He did the same thing the other time. I just didn't remember. He knows where you live. If I'm right, I'll leave here before you do and be waiting at your place.
핸더슨이 미리 목표물의 집 앞에서 기다린다는 것을 알게 된 그는 서둘러 형사한테 연락을 취하려고 하는데, 하필이면 그가 전화 빌런을 만나 티격태격하는 사이 어느새 핸더슨은 차를 타고 떠나버리죠.
I'll pay you. I'll give you whatever you want. You want 20? You want...
한편 그 사이 바에서 나와 집으로 향하는 데니스.
Denise! No! Go!
Hey, come on, bring it. Hey, come on your feet. Ski here,
I called Detective Quirk, officer. I'm
Save it. ID now. Oh, all right, spread him.
Oh, there's no time, officer. It's an emergency.
Hey, quiet. Just put your arms up.
결국 테리는 경찰차를 훔쳐 달아나 데니스의 집으로 향합니다.
Hello? Can you hear me? 7345 Monument Street. It's near the square. Quirk knows the building. Just tell Detective Quirk.
한편 아직 테리와 경찰이 오지 않았다는 것을 모른 채 데니스는 어느새 집에 도착하고, 핸더슨의 트럭을 발견한 그녀는 천천히 주차장을 나옵니다. 그런데 갑자기 엘리베이터가 작동하지 않아 그녀는 계단실로 들어가는데,
Down there, help him! Help him! Don't shoot!
Oh, shit.
마침내 핸더슨이 체포되고 살인 혐의에서 벗어나게 된 테리.
You seemed like such a level-headed girl. That was a stupid play you made tonight. You're lucky it turned out all right. We both are.
비록 위증죄는 남아있지만 그들은 서로를 껴안으며 이야기는 마무리됩니다. 오늘 소개한 영화 배드런 윈도우는 요람을 흔드는 손과 LA 컨피덴셜 등으로 유명한 커티스 앤슨 감독의 작품입니다. 전에 소개했던 배드 인플루언스처럼 이 영화 또한 선을 벗어난 캐릭터를 주인공으로 내세워 흥미로운 스릴러를 만들어내죠. 정의감 혹은 영웅 심리로 시작된 거짓말이 점점 큰 오해와 의혹을 불러오며 주인공을 몰아넣는 압박감이 역시나 커티스 앤슨 감독다운 면모를 보여줍니다. 하지만 개인적으로는 폴리스 아카데미의 스티브 구텐버그와 프랑스의 명배우 이자벨 위페르가 출연했음에도 캐릭터적인 측면에서는 뱃 인플루언스의 제임스 스페이더와 로브로우의 매력에는 조금 부족하다고 느껴져 상당히 아쉬움이 남았던 영화입니다. 하지만 여주인공인 엘리자베스 맥거버만큼은 정말 매력적으로 표현되었고, 이 영화는 창문으로 사건을 목격한다는 설정을 시작으로 수많은 장면에서 히치콕을 오마주하고 재현하려는 부분이 많이 느껴지는 영화로 고전적인 스릴러 감성을 느끼고 싶어하는 분들에게 꼭 한번 봐보시길 추천드리며 리뷰를 마칩니다.